Topic is normal distribution. Ultimately, this normal distribution, which is considered as one of the limiting form of binomial distribution. The primary importance of normal distribution is the population seem to follow the distribution as prescribed by the normal distribution. Here we can define the normal curve as that is a equation of the normal curve is y equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e raised to minus of x minus mu the whole square the whole divided by 2 sigma square, where x lies from or ranging from minus infinity to infinity. This is the equation of the normal curve. This normal curve, which is having the properties, lot of properties are there. Next I will be listing out the properties which are related to the normal curve. As we told, the equation of the normal curve y is equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e raised to minus of x minus mu the whole square the whole divided by 2 sigma square, where x ranging from minus infinity to infinity. That is the equation of the normal curve. And this normal curve, which is symmetrical about the central axis, where mean equal to median is equal to mode. The next property of this distribution is it is asymptotic to x-axis. It is unimodal. That means it has only one mode. This normal curve never extend to below the x-axis. At the same time, it never touch the baseline, that is x-axis. That is also one of the property of this normal distribution. And it is considered as continuous probability distribution. Continuous probability distribution means it takes, that is the random variable which takes any value. That means which carries the value in between 0 and 1 or 1 and 2, etc. For the other importance properties which are purely related to this distribution is the total area under the normal curve is 1. And this normal curve is exactly divided, equally divided into two parts, and the both parts carrying the area of 0.5, 0.5. And this information, which is very essential for solving all the problems which are related to this normal distribution. This normal curve ranging from minus infinity to infinity. The standard normal variate, it can be represented as z is equal to x minus mu the whole divided by sigma. X is the random variable, mu is the mean of the distribution, and sigma is the standard deviation. These are the all concept and idea about normal distribution. Thank you.